In this video, I'm going to show you all of the accessories to go with your Sublue mix. And keep watching to the end and I'll show you some super cool tricks that you can do with your Sublue mix. Now to do this, I need a mix, I need a swimming pool, and ideally, I need someone super confident in the water who's going to give this a good run. Someone like Zach from Scarborough Kingfisher Swimming Club. Let's go. First up, Sublue Mix has got an extra speed for 2026, so it's now got two speeds, 5.8 kilometers an hour, which is about 1.6 meters per second, and 4.3 kilometers an hour. So it's got plenty of thrust to pull adults and children through the water at speed. Also new for 2026, Mix comes in three cool colors. One of them is an amazing popping pink color. Click the link to the video to find out why pink is going to be huge in tech this year. I think you're going to love these colors. Mix comes with a standard charger which will recharge your Sublue Mix in about 4 hours, and it comes with one battery. Don't forget, keep watching and I'll show you some super cool stuff you can do with your mix at the end with Zach. Your Sublue Mix comes with this float on the top, which is this part here. This is great for keeping your mix buoyant in the water. So if you let go of it with this on, it's going to just slowly rise up to the surface. This float is great for going down to about 5 meters in depth. So use it for snorkeling, for cruising around, exploring on the surface of the water. If you want to go on dives deeper than 5 meters below the surface of the water, then just remove your float. And then your Sublue Mix will go down up to 40 meters. So you can use this for some really huge dives. When you're driving in the water with this float removed, it's important to wear the leash that your mix comes with, because if you drop your mix in the water, then it's going to sink to the bottom when it doesn't have this float on. So remember, always use this leash around your wrist when you're driving your mix without the float. I also find that being able to separate the float from the body of your mix is helpful when packing it. So for example, when I take my mix on holiday, I remove the float and I can pack the body of the sea scooter and the float nicely around my clothes in my suitcase. So it's a great way to make the sea scooter easier to transport and easier to pack. Here's a fun fact for you. You can mount your action camera on the front whether you've got the float on or off. Okay, let's talk about the accessories that you get as standard with your Sublue Mix. So we've already spoken about the leash that you get. So this leash is great for when you're driving without the float on your mix. In the box, your Sublue Mix comes with one battery. This is an 11,000 milliamp hour battery, 122 watt hours. This will give you 45 minutes of runtime, which is new and improved for 2026. Sublue Mix's battery is compatible with aviation standards. This means the watt hour, the capacity of the battery, is within the limits for traveling with on an aeroplane. So this for you means that you can take your Sublue Mix abroad. Just make sure you put the battery in your hand luggage. Your Sublue Mix will also come with a standard charger, which you can slot the battery into. With your standard charger, you get the power cable, which is country specific. So you'll receive the plug with the correct plug on for your country. In the box, you'll also get this drawstring bag, very nice bag to pop your mix in and take it to the water. And also in the box, you'll have the conformity certificate and user manual. There's a few extra accessories you can get for your mix. The first is this really nice waterproof bag, which is great for carrying your mix to the water and protecting it during transport. The second extra accessory you can order is fast charger, and this will charge your Sublue Mix in 2 hours instead of 4 hours, which means you get more time on the water. And of course, you can buy extra batteries. So each battery gives you an extra 45 minutes. So a really nice combination of accessories lots of our customers buy is their Sublue Mix, their bag to carry it and transport it, the fast charger and an extra battery. This is a really nice combination, which means that you're going to make the most of your time out on the water with your mix. Okay, now I promised you that I would show you some really cool stuff in the water, so let's get my friend Zach in the pool and let's see what he can do on a Sublue mix. Now this is Zach's first time ever riding a sea scooter, and I said to him, have a play with it, try doing some basic turns, try going underwater, try going on top of the water. Next I said to Zach, try doing some tighter turns, see whether you can really throw your body into it, because you can really spin around quickly on your mix. And hey, if you want to, you can try it without the float as well, because without the float, it suddenly becomes super nimble. So once you've mastered turning, you can do 2 tight turns together to make a beautiful figure of 8. And you can do small 8s and large 8s depending on how tight you turn. Try it in both directions as well. Now I think Zach is going to be very pleased with his figure of 8s here. He's done pretty well. Let's step up the level now. This is what I like to call a dolphin dive, where you're popping in and out of the water. This one feels amazing. You really do feel like a dolphin flying out of the water. This one's better to do in open water where you've got more space. Zach's doing well doing it in the pool. Just watch the end, Zach.
I feel like that one was better, but I'm not sure.
A bit more advanced for you now. This is a corkscrew where you do a twist underwater. Now this one really does make you feel like a superhero.
That was so good. That was awesome.
You're going to love this next one. This is a somersault underwater. So where you're going in one direction, quick spin and carry on in that direction. Difficult to do, especially in a swimming pool. In open water, you can do a much bigger spin. This next one's my favourite. This will make you feel like you're going to take off in the water. Point the outlets of the jets up towards you and keep your arms nice and straight. Your mix has got a lot of thrust in the water, enough power to tow 2 of you, so why not give a friend a ride? Everything is more fun with a friend, isn't it? They can grab hold of your shoulder, you can tow them through the water, or they could grab hold of your foot. Why not, hey?
As you can see, we've made Sublue Mix better than ever this year with some fantastic accessories for you to make the most of your time on the water. Mix is one of our most popular models. It's a really good all-rounder, great family toy, and it's the ultimate family gadget at a really affordable price. We've got limited stock available, so you can get your hands on your Mix for your next adventure. I'm Ross, and this has been Zach. It was his first time on sea scooters today. He did so well. Thank you, Zach, for joining us, and we'll see you out on the water soon.